This is Cody Craven back again. I'm working on my new server, and just maybe inviting a couple friends. So let's just invite him, and let's get back to work. I've been working on this for a long time. And I've been thinking that I should not make it a series because it can take a lot of time and happiness out of my channel, just me building. So every now and then I'll build with you guys. Tell me if you guys want to see more of that. And don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of every video. And then I would be really happy. I haven't worked on this in a long time, but I am making a walkway to the PvP area, which I made a couple of days ago. Got your little dirt mountain, a couple of trees, and a small area because PvP is not an open wide 1,000 by 1,000 blocks. You should have like a small space to go kill people. And that's what I did. Small space to kill people. Literally. Alright, and if you want to, like everywhere you go, there's a parkour area. So if you wanted to, you can parkour all the way over. Or you can walk the walkway. Oh man. Alright, well, Offline's good too. Some cords going over here. I made a whole bunch of items, like I made a huge Hunger Games map, on this map, like a huge Hunger Games thing. saving it or bringing it back, it still would have took a long time trying to rebuild it. But I decided not to make this a series because it would take a lot of time and effort out of this series, or this time I have with you guys, parkour, or not parkour, the time I have with you guys on YouTube. So, if you guys want to see me do something that you love and like, tell me in the comments below, and I will add that to our series. But so far we're at 6 minutes and some seconds. So we're gonna try for a 10-minute episode today. Let's build this right here. Expert builders in my quest to find the perfect server idea and put it on my map. So we've got this tunnel here going, and this grass will not be grass. It'll be something else. I would skip it and edit it where you guys would have to see all this, but I don't know how. If some people leave in the comments how I would, I can't find it. I made this on the super flat world, huh? Yeah, I could have just put the first layer of cobblestone instead of having to work my lever and break all this grass. Well guys, it's getting close to the end of the episode, and I wanted to say before we go off, like, subscribe, maybe comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see, and I'll do it. So, my next video will probably be about Call of Duty Ghosts, but other than that, thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below on what you want me to do next. Thank you very much. Bye.